Welcome to our Sage 100 tutorial. This video shows you how to transfer your balance evaluations and account statements to Excel. In your Sage 100 Finance, open the Analysis in the menu and from there the balance evaluations. I will show it using the account statements. Select an account statement. In the tab Mandators, you can choose from individual mandators, or you can mark all mandators by using the quick function All Mandators. In the tab Columns 1 to 4, click on the drop-down menu of Column Format for Printout and select Exceltransfer. Then confirm your selection with Yes. Now choose the details to display in the Excel sheet. For example, the opposing of the comparable time spans. Switch back to the tab Columns 1 to 4 to set the required time span. In the line Part Purchase, you can choose which periods should be compared to each other. If you want to save your settings for the future, you can do so with or without consideration of the selected period. Now just give your setting a name and confirm it by clicking OK. How many presettings are already available for your selected account statement you see right below the selection box. If there are multiple settings available, you can load the required one easily in the Settings menu. Load, select from the drop-down menu. To delete a presetting, go to the Settings menu, Delete, select the setting from the drop-down menu. By clicking OK, you will now transfer your data to Excel for a detailed overall view.